before you come to Botswana. You want to start a business in Botswana? What are some of the business ideas? Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorato TV. If it's your first time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment to share your opinion, your views. By popular demand, some of you have been asking me some of the business ideas here in Botswana if you want to relocate to Botswana. The first one that I have been thinking about of late is videography. We live in a world of technology, right? And when you're doing something, you want everyone to see it, and a way of also showing your product to the world. I would say that this is one of the areas that's kind of lacking in Botswana. People have weddings, they have other events, and they will love that event to be streamed online. Apparently, you realize that in the job market here in Botswana, we don't have a lot of people into that space. So if you come into Botswana, you know how to create content, bingo, you're gonna make it big here in Botswana. Even those who actually, those videographers who try to help people stream content programs online, you realize that it's poor, the quality is poor. So if you come in, you get all your gadgets and you're good at streaming content, streaming program or events, and you can do it perfectly, you're gonna make a lot of money, trust me. It's one of the areas that I've been thinking of diving in. Not only that, it's going to help you also because if you have all the gadgets, not only waiting for programs to stream, but also try to train personnel. Maybe you have a studio where you can train personnel to create content. You're going to make it big. People could come to that studio and also create content. Create content in a sense that you see now also the Botswana government has given opportunity to those content creators for local contents. So if those who know how to create content but they don't have the money or the equipment, they can come to your studio and shoot a video. They send this content to TV stations to sell. It could also be like a school, a mini school where people could come and learn how to create content and all of that. I think it's one of the areas that can get you a lot of money. And not only that, you could also use your gadget or equipment for maybe photography. Is also one of the areas people love to come and shoot. And sometimes you look at the packaging these days online, those that are here, you see that it's not up to that standard. So if you can up your game and you are very good in doing that, and you could blend the photography together with videography, come on, you're gonna make it big. You're gonna make it big also because you see, when it comes to internet in Botswana, it's good. The internet connectivity is good. The one I use here, Liquid, very good. We have other good, internet services. We have BTC, we have Masscom and all of that, and it's unlimited service. So if you come in and that is the area you like to, consider, come on, you're gonna make it big. And another aspect which I think most of you should also consider is the sewing business. The sewing business. They love Botswana. They also love to appear good. Okay, so if you're into sewing business, we have some people here, and you can actually give them the best of style, the modern one, the trending ones, and you are good at it, you're gonna make a lot of money, trust me. I was having a conversation with a friend yesterday, and she was telling me that, I bought her some of the Ghanaian kente stuff, and she was asking me, how do I go about it? I don't want to give it to any other person who will spoil this whole thing for me. So she was, someone who could, modern trend, who could use this kente to come out with something beautiful for her. Imagine you have this wonderful idea and you relocate to Botswana, you're gonna make a lot of money. Okay, events, they will love to appear good, as I said. So if you are in Botswana and you are good at it and you can beat the market and you are more competitive, a lot of people will be trooping to you. A lot of people will be coming to you, and you will make a lot of money. So that is one area also you can consider. So those of you who are into sewing business, come on. Not only that, we could come and train the locals to help you and empower them. It will be so great. It will be so great. So consider that also. If you are there and you are into that, fashion and designing, it's one of the booming businesses that are here in Botswana. You could capitalize on that. Another one is catering services. Okay, we love food in Botswana. And we have some catering companies or individual, companies here and there, but they would love to explore new food. Imagine like a West African, then you can prepare jollof, kenke, fufu, and all of that. We have Nigerians and Botswana. We have all kind of, people from different nationalities and foreigners. They are here and they love to explore different dishes. We don't have the personnel, the expertise are not there. We have some people, but imagine you are coming with your catering business and people love, after an event, they love to just relax and eat, and not going into this whole thing, cooking themselves, and someone takes the meat away, and you buy a cow and then they divide it, and someone takes a chunk of that away, all in the name of cooking. So they would love to just, go for these catering services. They come and do everything, and then after the event, they just sit back to eat and enjoy a very good meal. So if you're into catering services, you can make it big here. So you come in with a company and you train the locals, and you can make a lot of money from that. I'm telling you, I considered that also for a long time, and I asked some people, the relevant people who are into that, and they make a lot of money. That's one of the areas I'll urge you to also consider. Event planning. If you are into that, you can make a lot of money. Not just event planning, but you can add a few things to it. A few things like rentals of canopy, chairs, and all of that, like weddings. People come to you, you are there to help them plan the whole event. After that, they know that you have these canopies, you have chairs, you have all that for decoration, and you can give them best of service. You can make a lot of money from that. So consider that one also. Or if you're in Botswana and you listen to me, you can also consider that. Event planning, you can learn these things sometime online, for free. The YouTube videos are there. Just watch some of the videos and go into them, especially if you don't have enough money or capital to start. These are some of the areas you can explore. Based on my personal observation and asking those who are already there, you could see that they're making a lot of money from that. So you can start with something small and you can make it big, okay? So consider that one also. And poultry production. Poultry says here, grow Botswana, eat Botswana. So if you are into poultry business, you come here and you want to go into poultry business, you're going to make a lot of money, because you will just contact some of the spas and other places, and you'll be making a huge money. So it's also one of the areas you can consider. The poultry, not just the meats, but also the eggs. Just contact some of the the malls there, and they will come. You'll become a supplier, and they'll be coming to you with all of that. If you are doing that, also you consider also adding kind of a small garden to it. Small garden, so you can use the droppings to manure all of that. I think the difficulty is going to come in when it comes to that of water for irrigation. But these are some of the things that you can consider, because if you are into also a vegetable production, get them moroho, tomato, and all of that, people buy. Botswana people buy all of that, because the government of Botswana want people from Botswana, people to patronize what is produced in Botswana. So if you have that, you're gonna make a lot of money. There is another one to consider is Salon and barbering. You see, people making a lot of money there in Salon and barbering shops. People make a lot of money. So if you don't have enough capital, you can start with that. Get a place. But then, as I said, things are well structured. So if you want to go into that, when you finish everything, you have to call people to come in, look at that and say, okay, we give you the green light, you can go on. So you can start with that also. So I think one person asked me that he would love to come to Botswana with a family. I did the research on that, and I can tell you that it pays, barbering, cut people's hair. People love to, look good. And here you can just combine the two, that of men and that of women. And where you also sell a lot of hair products and all of that. But the problem here is that you can't add like, okay, you are selling drinks and all of that in the barbering shop. No, but that doesn't work here. But close to where they sell those things, you can just, where people are just enjoying themselves with, and then at the same time, you are cutting their hair for them. You can do that. You can consider that also here, a small business. You can start farming business, as I said, and farming business here, the people of Botswana, they are into cattle rearing animal. That one, and the government of Botswana supports the people, with feeds and all of that. So it's one of the areas Botswana, mostly for the locals, so if you're a foreigner, you come in, I don't know how it works in terms of foreigners. I'll also try to contact some foreigners who are into that and how they manage it. They'll share their insight with you on this channel. When it comes to taxi business, someone asked a question. With taxi business, can you start that here in Botswana? Taxi business, I don't think that will help you because, we are not many in Botswana, as I said. And also you see that public transport is cheaper. It's cheaper. Not only that, almost everyone owns a car. In Botswana, almost everyone. You go for a program, all those people who are in that room have their own cars. So these are some of the things. So I don't think if you're a taxi driver or you have a car, you want to come and start a kind of this taxi business in Botswana, I think you may, but I don't think you get enough out of that. Yes, truth be told, if I'm lying, if you are in Botswana, you are listening to me, write in the comment section that I'm lying. And these things are reserved for Botswana. I think that will not help you. That will not help you. So if you are coming to Botswana for that, I don't think it's going to help you. Yeah, for now, those are the things you can consider. If you want to relocate to Botswana, those are some of the areas, small businesses out there. Yeah, that you can consider. I think it's all about you, and it's all about branding when it comes to small business. So we have a lot of stuff there, but it's all about how you up your game in the job market, adding a bit of creativity and, molding the touch to it to make your own brand, to have your own brand and try to convince people. So that is it. I don't know which other areas, that you would like me to consider. You can let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much. I'd like to thank all those who reached out to me recently. You are asking of a question. I'm working on your questions, okay? And I'll respond soon. As I said, we'll be coming with series these few days. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the channel with friends and loved ones. What else do you want us to come up with in our next episode? Let us know in the comment section below. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Peace. Enjoy.